Hello, my blue math kids. So today we are going to work on the puzzle for 7-4, but I just wanted to remind you that this is the kind of stuff that you should put on your card. So all of you have your math cards home, so you can put this. There wasn't really any kind of definitions or steps yesterday, but we have this problem. So don't forget to put this, hopefully you already did, I didn't say it yesterday, that you put this information on your card for 7-4. You could have put also those examples. I erased them for today, but you can put this on your next math card for 7-4. Today we're going to continue to work with solving proportions, and I have your 7-4 for you. And so as you look at it here, there's recipes. Aubrey's school is having a soup luncheon. They're using the recipe below. So here you have the recipe for vegetable soup, and please note that it serves only 8 people. Okay? Now there's, again, not a lot of questions here, just 3. But for each one, number 1, the school expects that 24 people are going to attend the luncheon. So now you need to fill in the amounts of the recipe because, again, the recipe was for 8, and now you need to feed 24. Please remember, if you don't put the label down for each of these quantities, I will mark it wrong. If it's so many cups of pasta, you answer so many cups of pasta, okay? So again, don't forget to write your label. In 2, same kind of situation, except now there's, 64 people are signing up to attend. So fill in the amounts of the recipe they'll need for 64 people. You can put this together by using a proportion. If 1 cup of pasta feeds 8, then how many cups of pasta will feed 24? Don't get dizzy, but I'm going to put you on the board here. So if 1 cup of pasta fed 8, then how much pasta do we need to feed 20? Oops, sorry, you gotta follow me. To feed 24. So that's how you're gonna put it together for your solutions. And if you can't do it mentally, you can see that this to this is a times 3. So maybe you've picked up that connection and you can do it like that. But that's how solving proportions is going to be used to do these problems today. Okay, here we go. Swinging. Now 3 is going to be quite the puzzle. So Sandra, she's going to make the soup for her family reunion, but she's allergic to one of the ingredients, and so she leaves it out. When the soup is all prepared for the reunion, and there's 44 people at the reunion, the amount that will be left out of the original soup recipe is 11 cups. So you need to go back to the original recipe and find out which ingredient Sandra is allergic to. Again, you have all the information you need between the recipe and the problem. She has 44 people coming, and the amount that was left out because she's allergic is going to add up to 11 cups. So think about that. That's going to be like your little puzzle today. So that I know that, sorry, we're swinging, we're moving. So that I know that you are attending math class here today. I have another 3 problems for you try. These aren't problems that you're doing in your textbook. You're not just picking any 3 random problems. You're doing my problems, these 3 right here that I'm showing you. Feel free to pause so that you can write them down on your scrap paper. And then in the Google question, or Google Classroom, which I'm calling the GC, that's where your answers are going to go. Yesterday, some of you did not have all 3 answers correct, and so you don't have a grade for that. So you need to keep that in mind. If you didn't get a grade back on your math attendance yesterday, that means that you didn't get them right, and I left you a comment, so you keep needing to check back. Some of you did morning school and then you were gone for the rest of the day, so you want to check back on comments to see if what you submitted was correct. So Here are your you try 1, 2, and 3. You're going to put it in your questions for today, for March 18th, to get credit for attending math class. Your puzzle 7-4 will be assigned. This is a paper product, a paper assignment, so you'll turn it in on Monday. So to show me that you understand today and that I walked through the puzzle paper with you, here is your math lesson for March 18th. Bye-bye.